How did we make 40 frames per second? This time, we used AMD H2 chip, the most advanced chip in the world. The newly supported raw picture capacity will also give you more room for photo editing as well. We've reinvented E4K all over again. With 100 megabit per second bitrate, it made professional grade post-production possible to everyone. The brand new USB 3.0 Type-C connection increased the transfer speed. You'll see the differences between 60 frames per second and 30 frames per second. No details will be lost during high-speed movements. Non-ordinary crispy clear pictures that perfectly restores the real world. Electronic image stabilization for 4K 30 enables clear and stable footage that is normally subject to knocks and bumps. So keep doing what you're doing and let the EIS take care of stabilizing your footage. Moreover, E4K Plus comes with the voice command feature. Just tell E4K what you want, and E4K Plus will do it for you. After countless tests,
start recording.
E4K Plus can now accurately understand you. With live streaming, you can share your adventure on most major streaming platforms before they've even begun.
Hey there, I'm Paige from Olympus, and today I'm really excited to share with you the new Tough TG6. Our Olympus products have a long-standing legacy of being ready for any adventure, anytime. The TG6 is no different. It boasts the technologies our Olympus cameras are known for, like durable, tough performance, high image quality, pro-level features, an advanced macro system, and underwater modes that take you to new depths. Our tough products stay true to what they've always been made to do: be tough for you. It's waterproof, shockproof, crushproof, freeze-proof, and dustproof to make sure that it's always ready for even the grittiest of adventures. The TG6 is ready for fast action. Its f2.0 high-speed lens helps capture moving subjects without blur. When combined with the advanced image sensor and dual quad-core processor, your shots are sharp and bright, even underwater or in low-light settings. These features ensure that you're always ready to get the perfect shot, even at a moment's notice. The TG6 is also a powerhouse when it comes to video. Switch your mode dial to the video icon to record Ultra HD 4K video on the go. Record in full HD 120 frames per second to capture your surroundings in slow motion. TG6 is packed with new features that will have you itching to lace up your hiking boots and hit your favorite trail, or take a visit to your local lake for a fun kayaking adventure. The TG6 even combats bright sun glare with an advanced anti-reflective coating on the image sensor's ceiling glass that helps minimize ghosts and flares. Now let's talk macro. The TG6's variable macro system offers 4 custom macro modes that help you capture insects up close in their natural habitat or striking flowers in bloom. The focus stacking mode now offers the option to merge from 3 to 10 images at varying focus points to help ensure a sharp image from foreground to background. The macro options just keep getting better because now you can shoot as close as 1 centimeter from the front of your lens in both program and aperture modes. Now, what's tough without underwater? Dive up to 50 feet deep with no case or housing and utilize the TG6's 5 underwater modes. The new underwater microscope mode utilizes that 1 centimeter working distance from the front of the lens to help capture the smallest sea life, from tiny fish to intricate coral in amazing detail. The new underwater white balance modes of shallow, mid-range, and deep help capture accurate, vivid color, all the way from a fun day at the pool to a deep sea dive. Inside the TG6 are some really great features that help make your adventures even more share-worthy. The Action Track sensors utilize the built-in GPS, compass, temperature sensor, and manometer to record data and sync it to your stills and videos with the free OI Track app. Date Imprint allows you to record date and time directly to your image for on-the-go record keeping. Now that's one powerful camera. It's built for adventure and for quality. When combined with some of the available accessories like the new protective lens barrier or circular fisheye lens converter and a rugged underwater housing for extra deep dives, it can truly be customized for any adventure. We are really excited to keep the tough legacy alive with the TG6 and ready to see what adventures you capture next.